Good morning class. I am Lakshman Singh with the remaining part of chord properties of circles. Let us see some more questions. Let's see question number 24. Prove that perpendicular bisector of a chord of a circle always passes through the center. So here we have drawn this figure. We can see this OC is drawn and a chord, a bisector of this chord AB is drawn. We can see that bisector of chord AB is CD, which does not pass through center O. Let CD is perpendicular bisector of chord AB and does not pass through center O. So we can see that OC is bisector of AB. OC is bisector of AB. So OC is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle OCB will be 90 degree. Similarly, angle DCB, we can see that angle DCB, this you can see angle DCB, that is also 90 degree because it is CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Therefore, we can see DC and OC coincide each other. DC and OC coincide each other. It means they lie on each other. They are overlapping. When they are overlapping, it means DC will pass through center of circle. This we have to prove. Let us take question number 26. Prove that the diameter of a circle perpendicular to one of the two parallel chords of a circle is perpendicular to the other and bisects it. So here you can see the figure. Two parallel chords AB and CD are given, and this GH, that is bisector of chord AB, which is perpendicular to, given bisector of chord perpendicular to AB. So angle OEB, that is 90 degree. Since CD and AB are parallel and GH is transversal, so angle CFO will be also 90 degree. Now we can see that alternate interior angles CFO and OEB, these are alternate interior angles, are equal. So OF is perpendicular to CD. When OF is perpendicular to CD, the perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. We know this. Perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore, diameter GH bisects chord CD also. This only we have to prove. So let's see question number 29. In the given figure, AB and AC are equal chords of a circle with center O and OP perpendicular AB, OQ perpendicular to AC. Prove that PB equal to QC. So we can see here the figure is drawn. Two chords AB and AC are drawn. Both are equal. So equal chords are equidistant. Therefore OM will be equal to OL. And AB equal to AC given. So AB upon 2 will be equal to AC upon 2. If two things are equal, so their halves will be also equal. So BL equal to CM. We can see BL and CM are equal. So angle BLP equal to angle CMQ equal to 90 degree. angle BLP and angle CMQ equal to 90 degree. That is, we can say it is given 90 degree, so it's vertical opposite angles. Then OP equal to OQ, radii of the same circle, so OP will be equal to OQ, and we have already said OM equal to OL, OL equal to OM. So now OP minus OL equal to OQ minus OM. So we get PL equal to QM. This PL, you can see PL and QM are also equal. So now we have got three things equal. PL equal to QM, angle CMQ equal to angle BLP. Now we have got these two things, and CM equal to BL. Three things we have got in order side angle side. So by side angle side axiom of congruency, we get triangle CMQ congruent to triangle BLP. Triangle CMQ congruent to triangle BLP. Therefore, PB equal to CQ. This only we have to prove by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Let us take one extra question. It's not from the book. Chord AB and CD of a circle with center O intersect at E. If OE bisects angle AED, prove that AB equal to CD. So just see the figure. AB and CD, we have to prove them equal. These are the two chords intersecting at E. The line OE bisects angle AED. Angle AED bisected, it means angle OEM equal to angle OEN. So let us do this question. Draw OM perpendicular AB. We have drawn here OM perpendicular AB and ON perpendicular CD. So in triangle OME and triangle ONE, we have taken these two triangles which are formed here. You can see that. So angle OME equal to angle ONE, that is 90 degree. We have drawn this perpendicular. So angle OME equal to angle ONE, that is equal to 90 degree. And angle OEM equal to angle OEN. Angle OEN equal to angle OEM. This is given that OE bisects angle AED. It means these two parts will be equal. And OE is common for both the triangles. So here we get by angle axiom of congruency, angle side axiom of congruency, triangle OME congruent to triangle ONE. When both the triangles are congruent, so therefore OM equal to ON. These perpendiculars OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. So we get AB and CD are equidistant from center. If OM and ON are equal, it means AB and CD are equidistant from center. So AB will be equal to CD because we know that equidistant chords are equal.